Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, April 8, 2020, online lesson number 7, Learning Zone, Unit 6, Lesson A, Real Heroes. Student book, page 70. Let's begin. Class, we're going to begin on page 70 with a reading, and we will answer a few short questions, quick questions after the reading. Prior to the reading, we are going to have some new vocabulary and spelling words. Following that, we will listen to a few student reports written about famous people. And after listening, we will do some exercises in our student books. Finally, I will assign a homework assignment. Very well, let's begin. Class, let's begin by going over some vocabulary and spelling. These are really some great words, actually. Hero, H-E-R-O, a person who is admired for having done something very brave. Courageous, C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S, having or showing courage, brave. Confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, being certain of your abilities. Responsible, R-E-S-P-O-N-S-I-B-L-E, to have control and authority over something or someone, and the duty of taking care of it, him, or her. Talented, T-A-L-E-N-T-E-D, with talent, able, or skillful. Hardworking, H-A-R-D-W-O-R-K-I-N-G, always putting a lot of effort and care into your work. Persistent, P-E-R-S-I-S-T-E-N-T, lasting for a long time or difficult to get rid of. Inspire, I-N-S-P-I-R-E, to make someone feel that they want to do something and can do it. Aren't those some great words, class? Those are really good words. We're going to return to those words a little later in the lesson. Class, we will now look at page 70 in our student books. Lesson A, read the description and complete the definitions. Shall I read? What are heroes like? What qualities do they have? Heroes are caring, courageous, and confident. They are responsible, talented, and hardworking. They are persistent because they never give up, and they inspire other people. Class, let's quickly do the exercise. Match the definitions to the words, or complete the definitions.
Unit 6, Real Heroes. Lesson A, pages 70 and 71. 2. Listen, read, and complete the sentences.
My report is about Mahatma Gandhi. He is a hero from India. Gandhi wanted to stop injustice, poverty, and racism. He spoke openly about his beliefs. Government leaders did not want Gandhi to say these things. They tried to stop him by putting him in prison many times. Gandhi was a talented leader who inspired the Indian people to change things without violence. He inspired fighters for human rights and freedom around the world.
My report is about Wangari Maathai, a hero from Kenya. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2004. She was the first African woman to receive it. When she saw a problem, Maathai did something about it. In some places in Africa, there was bad environmental damage. People suffered because they did not have enough food and water. So Maathai started a program to plant trees called the Green Belt Movement. She was confident her idea was right. People planted millions of trees in Kenya, and now the environment is much better.
Three. Listen and complete the table.
Rosa Parks was a hero of the American Civil Rights Movement. Rosa was born in 1913. In 1943, she joined the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People to help fight racism. One day in 1955, Rosa was traveling on a bus. At that time, there was a section for white people at the front and a section for black people at the back. A white man got on the bus. There were no seats left in the white section, so the bus driver told Rosa to stand up and give the white man her seat. She refused, and the police arrested her. Her action inspired many people to change things. In 1996, she was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom. She was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1999. People call Rosa Parks the mother of the modern-day civil rights movement. She died in 2005 at the age of 92.
Class, that was interesting, wasn't it? Now, since we have listened, I would like you to complete the exercises, exercise number 1 and 2 on page 70, then do exercise 3 on page 71. After completing these exercises, please do exercise 4 on page 71. Here you need to decide who your hero is and tell us about him or her. I am going to expand this exercise. Besides what is listed in part 4, I want you to write a paragraph describing your hero, and I mean a good paragraph. Use some of the words we learned today, our new vocabulary words, to describe your hero, and remember, paragraph has 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. So let's write some nice paragraphs. Homework in your notebook, write one sentence, one complete, accurate sentence for each of our new vocabulary words learned today. Okay, class, I think this was a real interesting lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye for now.